One, we're gonna have a tornado siren test here pretty soon, Cone. Forgot to do it last month, they said. My Christmas stuff, I'm just getting ready for Christmas. Cause it takes a while, so it's all ready to go Thanksgiving night, but if this was a real storm, here's the closet right here I would go to. Yeah, we're gonna hear a thunderbolt here in any second. Any second, we're gonna hear a thunderbolt. We're gonna hear a thunderbolt here in a minute. Located on Railroad Avenue, because that's closest one to the house here. There's the thunderbolt. Let's get in the closet in case we could. Get the siren cone. And here, if it was really going off for real, this is what you do. Right out of my house. It's just a test, though. Close the door, see if we can hear it. Yep, it's Cone, if this was a storm, you and Daddy would have to get in this closet here. Or the hallway. The bathroom. This would be the last resort. If it was real. That closet is where to go if it was real, and bathtub is last resort, and I just walked all over the house to make sure I could hear it in case it's the real thing. Because they can happen any time of the year if the weather's right. Just look at Washington, Illinois. Hope everybody enjoys my video here, and thank you for watching, and please comment below. Have a great day, and do another siren somewhere for you later. Bye.